Okay, so the first one that we're going to look at is Trend Insights. This is one of my favorites, and I'm kind of known for teaching it because it's truly one of my favorite ways to take my clients viral for sales specifically, because this is the kind of post that when it gets in front of somebody's For You page or feed on LinkedIn or Facebook, wherever you're posting, this is the post where people go, oh, an expert is talking. Let's hear about what they have to say. So this allows you to immediately get a positioning of being in a different space when you show up in front of somebody for the first time, or maybe they've seen you before, but this is the first time they've really taken note. So let me break down what this is. A trend insight is where we're taking a trending topic that people are already interested in, are searching for, that is going up in the algorithms. It's something a lot of people are talking about, a lot of people are searching, and you come in as the expert. So two examples of that. One is, and it's not a great example because it's negative, but it is what it is. When we lost to those billionaires who had built a submarine and were looking for the Titanic a couple of years ago, people were fascinated with the story. We didn't know that was a thing. We didn't know that, it was, controlled by like a game controller. Everything about it was just fascinating for people. So for 24 to 48 hours, people were saying, look, this crazy thing happening with these billionaires are lost looking for the Titanic. And it was just this kind of regurgitation of the same information because there were no other news updates. So the first videos that came out or posts even that came out that were talking about the fact that this happened would get high views because people were interested in the topic. But what it didn't get was any kind of traffic for that account. It didn't get them followers. It didn't get them sales. But about 24 to 48 hours into the news cycle on this, what started to happen was the experts started to show up. So I would see videos or posts that would say things like, hey, these billionaires that are lost in the bottom of the sea? I'm a marine biologist. These are the things you don't understand about this place in the ocean. Or I'm an expert in the Titanic. This is the context that everybody's missing about this story. And those accounts followers grew very quickly by quite a lot. They were also quoted in news stories online and across the world. They ended up doing interviews. I saw people get interviewed by the BBC, Fox, CNN, name it. I saw them actually being interviewed about their expertise on this subject, because the news channels are looking for somebody to give insight to this trending topic, which is why this is what it is. And a few of those people actually got hired to be writers for different online articles. So they actually got at least a side job that they're able to do because of their expert positioning that they did when this event happened, when this trending event happened. An example that I did specifically was when Rock and the Oprah, Dwayne Johnson and Oprah, a couple of years ago did a video asking they were asking for funds, raising donations for the victims of the Maui fire. But they did an awful job. They just to be straight and forward with you, they did a really awful job. So a lot of people were doing videos going, hey, these two just did an awful job. I jumped on and did a video and goes, hey, this is the mistake these two just made. And I see businesses make it all the time. If you don't want to be canceled, this is what you need to do and make sure you don't do what they just did. And I did a breakdown of what not to do. My video got about 250,000 views, 300,000, somewhere around there, in a couple of days. And I made over $25,000 from it, from new clients coming into my world. So it wasn't just about visibility. It wasn't just about, hey, there's a trending topic. It was bringing insight into a trending moment. And that is why this is one of the more powerful posts. When I teach my 14 post viral system, this is the one that we often are looking to get people into. We want to find that place where you can bring your expertise into something that is trending, that people are already looking and interested in, so that you just bump yourself up right to the top of the algorithm using the weight of the algorithm that is already bringing us that content, but you're doing it in a way that shows that you are the expert we should watch.